In the rapidly evolving world of business technology, Windows Server 2019 stands as a beacon of operational efficiency and security. This innovative server operating system, developed by Microsoft, is more than just a tool. It's a game changer, a catalyst for businesses seeking to streamline their operations while bolstering their defenses against cyber threats. Windows Server 2019 is equipped with a myriad of features designed to meet the diverse needs of modern enterprises. At its core, it's built to support hybrid cloud environments, enabling businesses to seamlessly navigate between on-premises and cloud services. This flexibility empowers organizations to leverage the best of both worlds, optimizing their IT infrastructure for their unique requirements. Moreover, Windows Server 2019 brings advanced security measures to the table, boasting features such as Shielded Virtual Machines and Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection. It provides robust protections against the ever-increasing threats of the digital world. These layers of security are designed to detect and neutralize threats before they can wreak havoc on your system, ensuring the integrity of your business data. Another notable feature of Windows Server 2019 is its support for containerization. This technology, which allows applications to be bundled with their dependencies, makes it easier to deploy and run applications across different environments. With this, businesses can accelerate their application development and deployment, fostering innovation and growth. But that's not all. Windows Server 2019 also comes with enhancements in computing, networking, and storage. It offers improved scalability and performance, a more efficient networking fabric, and better storage efficiency. All these enhancements work in tandem to provide a smooth, reliable, and high-performing server environment. Now, understanding and leveraging these features may seem like a daunting task, but worry not. Xientech Group is here to help. As a global provider of Windows Server 2019 maintenance and support, Xientech Group has the expertise and resources to guide you through every step of the way. From maintaining data centers and equipment to managing tape libraries, storages, servers, and network equipment, Xientech Group serves globally. They're committed to helping businesses like yours harness the power of Windows Server 2019 to its full potential. So why wait? Visit Xientech Group's website at www.xientechgroup.com for more information. There you'll find a wealth of resources and support to help you navigate the world of Windows Server 2019. And while you're at it, don't forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues, and family. Spread the word about the transformative power of Windows Server 2019 and how Xientech Group can help. And remember, for more news, tips, and information about data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content like this. Thank you for watching.